If you have been looking for ways to make money online, you have maybe come across CPA marketing and have heard that it can be a great day to potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day. But what is CPA marketing and how do you get started the best possible way? My name is Michael and I've been working online for years and I have made quite a lot of money with CPA marketing. And many viewers have asked me to share more information about exactly what it is and how to get started. And therefore I decided to record this video where I will explain based on my real experiences how this works and what you need to be aware of to find out if this is the right opportunity for you. So first of all, I just want to make it clear that what I'm going to share in this video is based on real experiences. It's not hype, because when you search for CPA marketing, you will find a lot of videos with people saying, oh, just, click here, do that there, $500 per day, starting today, blah, 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 that's not what I do here. I show you realistic methods, and you need to do this with the right expectations, because it will require effort, it will require time, but then the earning potential is also big. So please listen carefully to what I say in this video, because it can help you find out if you should actually go for this option or not. And if you decide to go for it, then at least you do it with the right expectations and know how much effort and time to put into this. So let's start by going over the overall idea about how CPA marketing actually works, what it is. So CPA stands for cost per acquisition or cost per action. So that means that basically you join like a CPA marketing network, you get access to some offers. That means like there's some kind of offer you can promote where people, sometimes they need to sign up for something, sometimes they need to give their email, sometimes they need to take a certain action, and you get a link on those platforms. You share that link. When people click that link and take that action, you will earn a commission. And if you do that enough times, it definitely can potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day. And it basically is the same as affiliate marketing. You've probably heard about that, but CPA marketing is often referred to when it's offers like where people don't necessarily have to buy something. Sometimes they do, but it just take an action. Where affiliate marketing can be often a commission when people go and buy something after clicking your link. But basically the techniques you need to use are the same. So that means like you find this offer you want to promote, you share a link, people click it, and you earn a commission. So it sounds very easy, and that's also why you will see many videos here on YouTube just claiming, oh, you just take a link there, share it there, earn hundreds of dollars per day. But of course there's more to it than that. You are in general not finding ways to become rich overnight. That's not how it really works. But if you do it the right way, CPA marketing can be a great online business. And before we're going into the right approach to that, let me just show you an example of a CPA marketing network, like how it would work, so you get a better idea about that part of it also. So there are many CPA marketing networks. Some are good, some are not so good. One platform that you potentially can use if you decide to do this is McBouncy. I actually have a full tutorial review of that also. I'll leave a link in that corner. But this is not to say that this is the one you should join. This is just because I need to show you one platform and how it works. And basically, no matter what CPA marketing network you join, you will go in, you will search, you can see the different campaigns, you can see how much you get. For example, you see here, for this one here, people would need to single opt in there, so probably sign up for an email list. You can read the exact conditions for each of them. This is how much you would get per person, and then do that. And it maybe doesn't look like a lot, but if you build up a good traffic source and have a good offer, and you get like sometimes you can even get $10 per lead also, it says here. But even with $2 per lead, if you have 100 leads per day, you see, then it suddenly is hundreds of dollars per day. So it definitely has good earning potential. And how it would work is you just find the right offers, and this is not a particular offer that I recommend or anything. This is just to show you how it would work. So you would just click an offer, and you would then just get a tracking link. In general, some platforms, you need to click a little bit extra here, but other times you just get a link, you get that link, and then you share it, for example, on social media, on website, wherever you have an audience, and then people click that. It's tracked here through the affiliate network or the CPA network there, and you'll be able to see in there, this is how many people that have signed up, taken that action, this is how much you've earned, and then you can get paid. So that's just to show you like also inside the platform how it actually works. But we need to now talk about what most people do not tell you, because that is what will make you fail or succeed when it comes to CPA marketing. So what most people forget to tell you when they try to sell you some kind of idea about CPA marketing and get views on their videos is that yes, you can earn by sharing your link, but you need an audience to make good money with CPA marketing. Many times they just say like, oh, just take the link, share it in YouTube comments, share it in Facebook groups, share it on random forums. No, do not do that. You will end up getting banned and people will get tired of you. You just spam your link without providing value. People that say that in videos, they're just doing this to get views, and you maybe earn a small commission here and there, but it's not a sustainable way to do this. No matter whether it's affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, whatever you call it, you need to build an audience, and you need to build a relevant audience. So that means you need to find a topic that you're interested in, that you know something about, that you can share valuable information about. And then you need to choose your traffic source. If you like YouTube, or if you like to make videos, you can choose YouTube. You can have a website where you write, you can have Instagram, you can have TikTok. It doesn't really matter. Of course, there's some traffic sources that are not great, but it depends kind of like where your audience is and what you're interested in, so you choose a traffic source. But no matter what traffic source you choose, I always recommend that you also have a website, and with the tools available today, it's like you don't need any specific technical skills to do that. There's something super easy to do, because no matter whether you have like YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest or whatever, that if you have like a website to send people to, where you can, for example, get their emails, or you can show them several offers, that just really drastically increase your earning potential. So that's something I would recommend you consider no matter what. But once you overall have chosen your traffic source, then you need to start building your audience. So you need to start creating content, and you need to focus on quality. How can you help your audience with information that actually truly helps them? And then you can start thinking about like what offers are then also relevant to promote. Because if people know that you're actually really truly helping them, giving them valuable information, they will also trust your recommendations, because they will know that it's actually based on real opinions and not just some kind of hype to get paid. And then they will happily buy through your link, and they will happily do it many times, and then it can build up to hundreds of dollars per day for sure. And this is the approach that I recommend if you want to succeed with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. So just to sum it up, CPA marketing, the process is theoretically simple, and that's why you see some videos or many videos just hyping and say like, you join here, you take a link, you share it, $500 a day. But that's of course not how it really works. It is something that you can definitely do no matter your background and things like that, but you do need to be willing to put in time and effort. You need to take the time to learn to master a traffic source. You need to take the time to create quality content where you actually truly try to help your audience. Once you've done that, then the money will definitely also come, and you'll feel good at the same time, because you're actually providing value to people. And the best long-term results definitely comes from focus on quality and focus on actually helping people that are interested in the topic you are talking about. And I see so many people waste so much time because they're following these hype methods and do not go back to what is the core of becoming successful with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, and that is to create a good audience. And if you have an audience where you provide quality, the sky truly is the limit. And I do have more information about the exact steps that I have taken to create a full-time income with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, and I will leave a link to that below so you can go there and check that out. But only do this if you are actually willing to put in time and effort, because it will require you to do that to become successful. Also, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. I always reply to all comments there and questions. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.